Hello, I am Sakshi, student of BSc Non-Medical from Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Jalandhar. Today I am going to present a poster on the effect of dysprosium on the physical and optical properties of teloborate glasses. In this, we have prepared a dysprosium doped zinc teloborate glasses using conventional melt quenching technique at different concentration of dysprosium. In this work, we have studied about the physical and optical properties of the prepared glass sample. Among different types of glass host, we used borate because it acts as a good former, has a high thermal stability, a low cation energy size. Tellurite is added in this composition because it acts as a modifier, has a high transmission range and low melting point. Zinc oxide is added because it reduces the viscosity and lower the melting point. Among different rare earth ion, dysprosium acts as a dopant because it is the most efficient ion for obtaining the white light. The glass samples were prepared by varying the densities of dysprosium at the cost of borate, keeping the tellurite and zinc constant. The patch was melted at 950 degrees Celsius and annealed at 350 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. The glass samples were prepared transparent and bubble free. In the physical properties of the glass were studied with the help of Archimedes' principle with the ethanol as a immersion liquid. An increase in the density with the increase in the rare earth concentration was observed because as a dysprosium ion substitute the interstitial space within the glass network and hence increases the density. In order to study the optical properties of the prepared sample, we have done the UV-vis spectroscopy. The absorption peaks were observed because of the electronic transmission of dysprosium. The peak position was found to be independent of the rare earth concentration except for gradual increase in the absorption intensities with the increase in the rare earth concentration. 6 absorption bands have been identified. Further, we have calculated the band gap and Urbeck energy with the help of Mott-Davis method. We have observed that with the increase in the rare earth concentration, both the direct and the indirect band gap increases. This may be due to the fact that increase in the bond strength usually increases the overall cohesive force and compactness, hence band gap increases. A decrease in the Urbeck energy was also observed from 0.47 to 0.33. This is maybe due to a decrease in the number of NBO, hence decreasing the disorderness. And with the increase in the concentration, refractive index found to decrease. In conclusion, we had prepared a dysprosium doped zinc teloborate glasses and further characterized them with the help of Archimedes' principle and UV-vis spectroscopy. We found that density increased with the increase in the rare earth concentration. The absorption was found to increase in the rare earth concentration. The band gap was found to increase with the increase in the rare earth concentration. Due to with this, I would like to end my poster presentation. I would like to thank you all for listening this. Thank you.